Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to fund your DSJ account through your crypto wallet using Coinbase. Funding your DSJ account through a crypto wallet like Coinbase is one of the most common ways to get started, but it's also where a lot of people make irreversible mistakes. Here's the reality. Once you hit send in crypto, there's no undo button. If you send funds to the wrong address or use the wrong network, your money is gone. That's why this process isn't just about clicking buttons, it's about understanding exactly what you're doing at each step. Open the DSJ app and log into your account. Click on Assets. This is where your funds live. It shows your balance and allows deposits and withdrawals. Now tap Deposit. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. You must send the same asset you select. If you select USDT, then send USDT. You'll now see a wallet address and a QR code. Copy the wallet address. Next, go to your Coinbase app. Then tap Transfer. Select Send Crypto. This is how you initiate a withdrawal from Coinbase. Then, paste the address you copied from DSJ into the recipient field. Make sure to double-check the address before continuing. Choose the same asset you selected in DSJ. After that, input how much you want to send. For example, $5 worth of crypto. Always test before going big. This confirms everything is correct and reduces risk. Review all details, then click Send. What happens next? Coinbase processes the transaction, the blockchain confirms it, and the funds appear in your DSJ account. Since crypto isn't instant, it might take time. That's a complete funding process. To summarize, funding your DSJ account using Coinbase involves copying your deposit address from DSJ, going to Coinbase, sending crypto to that address, selecting the correct asset, entering the amount, and confirming the transaction. Accuracy and verification are critical at every step. And that's how to fund your DSJ account using Coinbase. The process is straightforward, but only if you pay attention. Never rush crypto transactions. Always double-check everything and start small until you're confident. Remember, one careful step now can save you from a big loss later. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.